Hey, how's everybody doing? Well, I took a little bit of advice from a fellow YouTuber and they got this thing up and running really good. Boy, it's controllable now. All it was is the air pressure was trying to force the fuel back up that fuel line. So I put an air line from the blower to the gas tank, and it's smooth as silk. It works perfect. So big thanks to the Oil Burner channel for a whole bunch of advice. That I'm an amateur at this, so I'm learning, but got it running pretty good. Also, I added an elbow down in there. I don't even know if you can see it. I'll show you tomorrow when it's daylight or another day, but I got an elbow in there that doesn't fit that intake pipe or inlet pipe, and it's about an inch bigger, and I got it smashed and pinched on there to where it picks up fire from the back side of it and mixes it with the fuel and air coming in, and it really burns good. But right now I'm just melting down some aluminum, getting ready to pour another ingot, and just kind of tinkering, trying to get this thing dialed in. And I got it running really good right now, to where it's just barely using a little bit of fuel. It's just hot enough to do what I need to do, and then I'll crank it right up right before I pour, so it's good and hot, and I got time to get the slag off of it. But figured I'd give you all an update on this thing. It's working really good. And, the Kirby vacuum cleaner is a really good one. Also, I'm controlling it with a variable transformer. I don't know if I showed you all the setup or not. A variable transformer. It's a 12-amp transformer. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. Y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. I might try to get a camera set up and videotape me pouring this there in a minute. Well, there's what I've poured so far. I know the front two weigh 10 pounds together, but I don't know what the other two weigh. This is the first one I poured. Not too shabby. Came out pretty good. But that was the first pour. The mold was a little bit pitted. Because it's, you know, metal. Not too bad. I did manage to drop a blob of slag directly into it right there, so I'm going to have to get that out next time I remelt it. These are, yeah, still way too hot to touch. They're pretty good. They're pretty heavy. So I think they came out alright, but so yeah, that's what I've did with that furnace so far. I don't know how well y'all can see that. The screen on this camera's kind of messing up here lately. But yeah, so it works. It's really hot. I need to put some kind of a heat shield around the outside of it to you know, so it don't burn my legs and stuff. Generator, still sitting there, haven't done anything with it. I did get the leads off the other generator to make it into a battery charger as well. Got the alternator and stuff mounted already, but that's for another day. So y'all take her easy, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you haven't checked out the Oil Burner channel, you should do that, because he's got some pretty cool videos. I'm kind of enjoying doing this stuff. Y'all take her easy, and I'll see you in the next one.